In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can start making $12 per minute on Autopilot. You don't need any special skills, and the best part is you can get started for free. Stay with me because I'll walk you through the entire process in less than 10 minutes. And by the end, you'll know how to scale up to earn even more. Let's get right into it. First, head over to Kittl, and once you're there, you'll land on Kittl's homepage. Now, for those of you who don't know, Kittl is an online design tool that makes creating professional level designs incredibly easy. And it's especially great for print-on-demand products like t-shirts, posters, and other merch. You'll want to begin by clicking on New Project. This will open up a new window where you'll input your design dimensions. Here's where you'll switch the units to inches and type in the dimensions of 11 inches wide by 14 inches tall. The DPI should be set to 300 for high quality printing, which ensures your design looks sharp. And after inputting that, click Create in the bottom right corner. Next, click on Fit to Artboard so that the design fits within the workspace. Kittl just added a new feature that lets you generate editable designs using a simple text prompt, which is a pretty cool addition. However, today we're focusing on a proven business model and how you can get actual sales with these designs. Now, let's move on to the content of your design. Here is where it gets interesting, because we're going to use AI to help streamline the process. Head over to ChatGPT and ask it for 10 productivity quotes. This AI can give you copyright-free quotes that are perfect for print-on-demand products. So type in something like, "Give me 10 copyright-free quotes about productivity." ChatGPT will start generating quotes that you can use immediately. For example, a quote might be something like, "The key to success is consistency." Once you have your quotes, copy them starting with the first one. Head back to Kittl, and on the left side, click on the text tool to add a text box. You'll want to click on Headline to create a larger, more impactful piece of text. Then double-click on the placeholder text, paste in your quote, and adjust the size and position as needed. Now, from the Properties panel, you can play around with the text. I like to make the quote all caps to give it that bold statement look. You can also change the font. I recommend picking a simple, bold font that stands out. Once you've centered the text, you've just created your first design. This is a powerful, easy-to-follow way to create designs that are perfect for selling on print-on-demand platforms. One of the keys to scaling this business model is speed and efficiency. Instead of starting every design from scratch, you can duplicate your existing design and just tweak it to create more variations. Simply click on the artboard and select Duplicate. Now you have a copy of your original design, and all you need to do is change the text. If you want to make your designs more unique or add a twist to the quotes, you can go back to ChatGPT, ask it to rewrite a quote, or use Kittl's text generator. For example, double-click on the text you want to modify, and while it's highlighted, click the magic star icon. You can paste the quote here, choose a tone like inspiring, and Kittl will give you 3 alternative versions of the quote. Pick the one that resonates with you and click replace. And boom, you've just created a new version of your original design. Sometimes you'll notice that certain words or elements of your design don't look quite right. Maybe a word is too long or not spaced evenly. A pro tip here is to create individual text boxes for each word or line in your design. For example, if your quote has 6 words, create 6 separate text boxes and align them manually. This gives you more control over spacing, positioning, and overall design aesthetics. Once you've set up your design and adjusted everything to your liking, you're ready to download. Click Download, make sure the file format is set to PNG for the highest quality, and save it in your hard drive. The designs will download as a zip file and you're ready to go. Now that we have our designs, it's time to bring them to life using Printify. For those of you who are new to this, Printify is a print-on-demand platform that allows you to create and sell custom products like mugs, posters, and t-shirts. They handle all the heavy lifting from printing to shipping, so all you really need to do is upload your designs and set your prices. Once you're logged in, go to the left-hand side and click on Catalog. From there, choose Posters. I recommend going with the best-selling poster option as this will give you the best quality and the most popular sizes. Next, click Start Designing. Here's where you'll upload the first design you created in Kittl. Just drag and drop the PNG file from your hard drive. Once it's uploaded, you'll need to select the size that matches your design. Since we created an 11 by 14 poster, you'll want to select that size variant. You can also preview the design by clicking Preview, which shows you how it will look once it's printed. Make sure everything lines up and the quality looks sharp. And once you're happy with the design, click Save Product. Now that we've got our product ready to go, the next step is to set up an online store to sell it. Printify integrates with multiple platforms, including Etsy, Redbubble, Shopify, and even eBay. This means that once a customer makes a purchase, Printify handles the rest: printing, packing, and shipping. It's a seamless process that allows you to earn passive income without lifting a finger. For this example, let's go with Etsy, one of the most popular platforms for selling custom designs like wall art and posters. Setting up an Etsy store is pretty straightforward, and Printify integrates directly with Etsy. This means your product listings on Etsy will sync with Printify automatically, so you don't have to worry about managing inventory or handling customer orders. If you need help setting up your Etsy store, be sure to check out my previous video where I walk you through the process step by step. Once your store is live, you'll be ready to start promoting your products and making sales. Creating a great design is only the first step. The real challenge is getting people to buy it. While Etsy provides some organic traffic, it can take time for your store to gain traction and get its first sales. A faster way to generate sales is by promoting your designs on social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest. Instagram and Pinterest are both visual platforms, which makes them perfect for showcasing your designs. You can Instagram business accounts specifically for your store and post mock-ups of your posters. This not only helps build your brand, but also drives traffic to your Etsy store. Now, to create professional-looking mock-ups, head back to Kittl and click on Mock-ups. In the search bar, type wall art or posters. Find a mock-up that closely resembles the type of product you're selling. Click on it, upload your design, and adjust it to fit the mock-up template. Download the mock-up, and now you have a polished, professional-looking image to showcase in your store and on social media. Organic traffic is great, but if you really want to ramp up your sales, you'll need to run ads. Luckily, Kittl can help with that too. Go back to the template section and search for ads. I recommend creating Instagram ads as they're highly visual and can drive a lot of traffic to your store. Find a template you like, click on it, and start customizing. For example, you can take an Instagram ad template, swap out the placeholder images for the mockups you just created, and edit the text to match your product. Once you've got a compelling ad, all you need to do is launch your campaign. And remember to include a direct link to your store in the bio section of your Instagram profile and in the description of your posts. This makes it easy for potential customers to find your products and make a purchase. At this point, you've created designs, set up a store, and started promoting your products. The next step is scaling your business to increase your revenue. One way to do this is by offering different types of products with the same design. For example, if your posters are selling well, why not create mugs or t-shirts with the same quotes? Printify makes it easy to apply your designs to multiple products, and you'll instantly expand your product line without much extra effort. Another strategy for scaling is to focus on building a niche store. Instead of selling a little bit of everything, specialize in either productivity quotes or motivational posters. Niche stores tend to perform better because they attract a more specific audience. This way, you can create a brand that people trust and come back to for more. I know, this side hustle is a lot of work. If you think it's not for you and you want to find the side hustle that works for you, make sure to watch this video. But don't click on it just yet. Make sure to subscribe if you want to grow your wealth. Okay, I'll see you over there.